Hey everyone, this is Gleb. Imagine you have a list of items. In this case, each list item has a string like apples, grapes, but it also includes a number. For example, it could be quantity of fruit. And you want to confirm that if you get those list items, right, unordered list with ID fruit inside li element, you want to confirm that the text, if you discard the numbers, is equal to apples, grapes, kiwi. How would you do that? The simplest thing is to use my Cypress map plugin. It's a set of queries that extend Cypress with retriable commands. So in this case, what do we get right here? We have a jQuery object, which is like, an array of elements. And we need to map each element to its innerText property. InnerText is a property of every DOM element. So now we have an array of strings. And right now you can see that we got string apples, space 2, grapes, space 10, kiwi, space 8. And it's not the same as apples, grapes, kiwi. All right, so we have to go through this array, look at each string, and remove any digits, characters. And if we had just a single string, we could say hello one and then maybe replace, and we could give a string, let's say h, or let's say 1 with an empty string, and it would remove a single one character. We can also give a regular expression, and I believe it has to be global. So it will remove all ones. And if we just say /d, that would be a special regular expression placeholder that matches the whole digits class of characters. But how would we actually go through an array of strings and invoke replace method on each item string? Well, this is where Cypress Map provides mapInvoke. It maps each item by invoking its method. So the name of a method is replace, and we can give a regular expression and we'll say an empty string. Okay, let's see what we have now. So now notice it's almost there, right? It says apples, and then there's a space, comma, grape space. And just to make it clear, Cypress Map provides a print method that's also a retriable query, doesn't change anything. So notice it prints what we have as a subject. Now we removed just the digits, but we still left with an empty space character after the name of a fruit. So here's what we can do. We can mapInvoke, again, this is an array of strings. We can on each string invoke the method trim, and it doesn't take any arguments, but it trims beginning and the end of a string. And now we have just the names of fruits that we want. Now this is okay. There's one more, I would say, optimization. If you want to remove all white space characters, not just at the beginning and the end, then you can remove them by saying, okay, replace all digit characters and replace all space characters with an empty string. So this removes the spaces and digits in a single regular expression. So I'm going to link Cypress Map plugin in the description of this video, and I'm going to link to my Cypress example sites where this recipe is placed.